This week I had a very interesting conversation with my brother. I thought, oh, I want to try something new. I want to spray something, a graffiti, on a wall here in my hometown. And he looked at me strange. Wait, what? Why do you want to do graffiti all of a sudden? I don't support that. What are you doing? Hmm. I looked at him, well, what do you care what I do in my free time? I know that it's illegal, but I wouldn't harm anyone. I would just try to make something beautiful out of something boring. But his reaction showed me I might have to think a bit more about it. And then it struck me. I don't really need to have that experience. I thought, oh, if I do graffiti, it could lead to a crazy story. I would be out there doing something that I shouldn't be supposed to do, something that I've never done before, and this could create an interesting story. And even though that might be true, for the most part, I just wanted to do it because I didn't do it before. But if I would apply the same logic to other areas of life, I wouldn't stand here today. I mean, I don't drink alcohol. That's just a fact. I don't do drugs. And I decided that I won't do them like a long time ago, so I have no interest in actually just trying them out and seeing how it goes. Why can't I apply the same values that I have with alcohol, for example, just for the graffiti? I should rather focus on my own goals and not just experiment with something new just out of the blue. No. Why don't I experiment in my field, creating different styles of YouTube videos, creating something new in my school community, which is free, by the way. Click the top link in the description. You know the drill. But to be honest, you can join right now. It's really going great the past few days. I had been on a call with two of the guys in the community, and they're just so heartwarming. It's cool to see that the community finally grows and we actually have some decent chords in there. So yeah, do that if you don't want to miss the fun. Yeah, so back to the story. So my brother like told me, why do you want to do graffiti? And after a couple of days, I told him, you know what? I just don't need to do it. With some things in life, you just know that they're probably not worth your time. You probably know that it won't be a really good way to spend your time. You just have a gut feeling that, okay, this isn't really you. Then just don't do it. You don't always have to do what maybe the others are doing. Not always, you don't need to always do what feels cool. You don't always need to chase that new experience. You can just try out new different ways in the stuff that you know is actually good for you. So yeah, do graffiti if you want to, but don't feel required to do it. Don't drink alcohol because you think that you are required to do it in your friend group. No, do what you want, do what you think is best for you. And then, and only then, you can actually live to your own values. So yeah, that's a quick and short story. Subscribe if you haven't already. We hit 200 subscribers. Oh yeah, I didn't actually celebrate it. We hit 200 subs. Thank you so much. Imagine 200 people in a room. That's amazing, yeah. So the YouTube journey, 2 years in, 200 subscribers. Thank you. Like genuinely thank you. And if you even want to support me more and you already joined the community, you can just watch another video of mine that is suggested to you right here. So yeah, thank you. See ya.